Now we will continue our exercise, children, okay, in this video also. So let us follow. Look at the pictures, okay, and follow the conversation. Now, John cried loudly. Okay, children, John is the boy, this boy, name of the person. So it is a noun. Cried is a verb. Okay, what is cried is a verb. John is a noun. You know, no children, what is noun? Name of the person, name of the place, and name of the animals, and name of the things. Okay, this is noun. Verb is the action. Whatever you are doing, sleeping, eating, crying, going, coming, watching television. So these are the verb. So it is an action. Okay. And see here, loudly. Okay. What? Cried loudly. Cried softly. Okay. So this word, okay, this is the new word, okay, for you, which is known as in English grammar adverb. Okay, which you will study in higher classes. Now I will teach you just basic in adverb. Okay, so this loudly is there, no? This is known as adverb. Okay, now here look at the question, children. Concentrate here. Okay, how did John cry? Cried loudly. How did John cry? John cried very loudly. Okay, John cried loudly. So loudly is what? Describing the action. Okay, see, cried. Cried is an action. So loudly is describing the action. Okay, so here how means how he is crying, how he is writing. Okay, you know what is the meaning of how, isn't it? So he is crying very loudly. In the same way, see here loudly, this is a noun as adverb. Okay, children, it is noun as adverb. Now look at the second example, children. Okay, now here Shyam will meet his friend. Okay, when? Tomorrow. Okay, Shyam will meet his friend tomorrow. So here our question is what? When will Shyam will meet his friend? When? Today, tomorrow, evening, day after tomorrow, or after a month, or after a year. So it's showing time. Okay, so it is noun as what? Adverb, showing how and when. Okay, so here tomorrow is the adverb. Okay, so now this action, what is action here? Meet. When will he meet? He meet tomorrow. Meet is the action. So he is describing, he is saying more about action. Adverb is what? Adverb describing more about verb. Okay, so here look at Shyam will meet his friend tomorrow. So tomorrow is a adverb. Okay, children, tomorrow is a adverb. I hope you would have understood what is the meaning of adverb, and it is a very important grammar in English language, isn't it? So you have to just concentrate, children, upcoming exercises. Okay, so now here the word help us know more about the action. Okay, and describe it, which is noun as adverb. So here adverb is how, when. Other type also is there, but you will study in higher classes. Now you can understand how the action. And okay, The action is described how, and again when. Okay, time it shows. So now here happily. Okay, how means angrily, really, gently, slowly. Okay, now this is the adverb, example of adverb. And here when means tomorrow, today, morning, evening, now. Okay, day after tomorrow, day before yesterday, like this. Time it shows, isn't it? So now here the next our exercise is tick the correct word. Okay, see, look it here, these are the words. Okay, so look at the correct words which is written here that help us to know more about the action. Okay, that help us to know more about the action. So listen here, look at this picture, children. He's what? Happily? This boy is happy now? Or sad? Or angrily? Okay, or what? He's swimming? He's studying? What he's doing? He's sadly, angrily, or happily? Choose, children. It is angrily, isn't it? He's in angry mood. Okay. And now here, look at this girl. She is sleeping. How she is sleeping? Okay. Regularly, carefully, peacefully. So, she is sleeping in peacefully. Okay, children? In this way, you have to do the adverb. Okay. Now, look here. Circle the words that help us to know more about the action. Here also, see, look the example 1. He came yesterday. Okay, so he is the pronoun. Okay, children, and came is the what? Our verb. Okay, main verb. Okay, it is a verb. And yesterday is the adverb. Okay, when he came morning, he came evening. Okay, like this. So he came yesterday. Now the second example is she speaks gently. So speak is a verb, that is action. Okay, it shows action, so it is a verb. And gently, how she is speaking? Gently she is speaking. Okay, kindly she is speaking, very kind. Okay, so now it is a gently is a adverb, and yesterday also adverb, isn't it? So now our last exercise I will show you in a second. Look here, we have to do now. Write the 2 words. Okay, any 2 words which is given in the box. So select the words from this box and we should write here. Okay, in this blank which is provided for us, which help us to know more about the action. Now look at the what is action is going on here. Dance. She is dancing beautifully, softly, fast, loudly. What will come, children? Okay, she is how she is dancing? She is dancing fast. Okay, she is dancing very fast. And how she is dancing? Softly she is dancing? No, speak. She is speaking softly. Okay, and she is speaking loudly also. Okay, and she is dancing beautifully. She cannot dance loudly, isn't it? So in this way we have to do our exercise. Okay, children?
Class is to use adverbs. And the keywords are doing words, how, ly, describing words. I repeat, doing words, how, ly, describing words. What is the verb? Verbs are the action words in a sentence that describe what the person is doing. So what is a verb? Verb is the action word or the doing word in the sentence. Example, Sana is sleeping. So what is the doing word in this action? Sleeping. So that becomes the verb. Sleeping is the verb in this sentence. Now observe these two sentences. Molly spoke loudly at a function. Sam dances crazily at parties. So what is the verb here? Spoke is the verb in the first sentence and dances is the verb in the second sentence. And how the verb is performed? It is performed loudly. So loudly becomes the adverb. Molly spoke loudly at a function. Sam dances crazily at parties. So how Sam dances? He dances crazily. And crazily becomes the adverb. Now how these adverbs are formed? See, loud plus ly gives loudly. Crazy plus ly gives crazily. These words are formed by adding ly to the describing word. So what we add? We add ly to the describing word. Loud is the describing word. Crazy is the describing word. So to the describing word we add ly to make the adverb. Crazily, loudly. Is it clear? Adverbs. So now what are the adverbs? Adverbs are nothing but the words that describe the doing word. And how they are formed? They are formed by adding ly to the describing word. These adverbs are formed by adding ly to the describing word.